As COVID cases continue to rise and hospitalizations inch closer to last year's numbers, the state is sending in backup. I'm Mike Montecalvo.
And I'm Shannon Heggie. The backup will go to testing and vaccination sites and hospitals as they deal with the staffing crisis. Plans are in motion for close to 200 National Guard members to be remobilized across the state to help. 12 News reporter Amanda Pitts joins us now live from the State House with more. Amanda?
Well, Mike, Shannon, Governor Dan McKee said he stopped by Rhode Island Hospital today and said the situation there is stressful. They're understaffed and overwhelmed, and that's why the National Guard is stepping in to help.
What we saw was exactly what's being described, is this stress and this pressure.
Governor Dan McKee visiting Rhode Island Hospital's emergency department Tuesday, seeing firsthand the effects of the latest COVID surge.
The description that we've heard from the, from the emergency physicians as well as the head nurse that was walking us through, they were certainly describing a stressful issue. It's stressful because of staffing.
That's why the state is now in talks with the Rhode Island National Guard to send in reinforcements. Approximately 180 National Guard members will be sent to testing sites, vaccination sites, and hospitals to lend a hand.
We've been in discussion with the general, and we thank him and the Guard again for stepping up in a way that I'm not sure that they were really expecting, right?
Hospitalizations aren't yet where they were this time last year, but staffing levels are crumbling the state's hospital system. Right now, Rhode Island Hospital is over 100% capacity.
They're about 113% of capacity, but the capacity is about 65% of their normal capacity because of staffing.
To provide some relief to emergency rooms, McKee said his team is looking into opening more urgent cares and expediting the discharge process.
Talking to the insurers about how we can release patients on a more timely basis when they're ready to go home.
McKee said a majority of hospitalizations are those unvaccinated. The governor had this message for them.
You made your decision. We respect it, but you need to take special care and be in quarantining yourself to a degree right now during this spike in infections because you are very, very vulnerable.
Right now, the National Guard is on the ground in Central Falls helping with testing there. We're expecting more information on where exactly they'll be mobilized in the coming days. Live in Providence, Amanda Pitts, 12 News.